Next, to quickly give us her goodwill message. I really do not have the right words to describe her. The former governor of Imo State, Okorocha, had already done that. But our good mother, Nneoma Rochas Okorocha, is known for her philanthropy. She's a humanitarian. In fact, during her days as First Lady of Imo State, I know that her pet project was focused on empowerment, especially for women and children's rights. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the former First Lady of Imo State.
To God be the glory for a day like this. Standing on the already established protocols, of course, I must appreciate a woman that I admire and respect so much, my mother, Josephine Anini. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am passionate about the woman because I believe that the woman is very key. And I've often said to most people around me that we need to identify a common song. And that common song is a song of peace. We have heard the lecture that was given by our own dear Chijioke, talking about being very intentional to identify the idea of this great country. But of course, without peace, we cannot do that. Because for the mind to think right, the mind must be in a state of peace. Walking into this auditorium, I must say that I am excited and I'm already dreaming because of what I've seen in this hall. Seeing our mothers from the different parts of this country for an Igbo program. It means that the women are saying something. I will go home this evening or this afternoon knowing that we still have great women that are thinking about this great country. It's not just those from the southeast, but indeed the entire Nigeria. And I know, seeing all the former ministers that are here, seeing the great women that are here, the truth is that we can do it. And we can no longer wait to be invited. No, we cannot wait to be invited. And it doesn't matter who is in what position. Let the women come together and we'll move. Because the truth is that we don't have any other country except this great country called Nigeria. I love this country and I've always said that I know and I have faith and I believe that the world is waiting for this great country called Nigeria. And for us to get it right, the women must arise. Thank you so much, our dear mother, for what you have started. But we are waiting for you so that we can have this kind of program where all women from different parts of this country will come together so that we'll do the needful. Thank you so much and may God bless you.
Thank you so very much.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together no matter the road.